channel. On today's vlog, we brought our Ariel Rider X52 bolts and a Super73 S2 here with the wife in San Francisco doing a 20-mile ride. We're gonna hit up hopefully Palace of Arts, Christie Park, and Golden Gate Bridge, and hopefully get an e-bike kind of tour experience out of it. With that said, let's dive into the ride. Haven't really been here on an e-bike, so we're gonna check it out. We're probably the only tourists that actually brought our own e-bike, and it is mid-July. This is what July looks like here, and it's freezing. It's like 50-60 degrees with some rolling fog here and there, and it's like 1 p.m. And the warmest here is like, I think the warmest it gets here is like 62 degrees. So we're definitely layered and bundled up as best as we can. And then a right. Okay, yeah, definitely new grounds for us here. What? There's a soccer field here? Didn't even know. Oh, this is bumpy. Even if we have a map, we're still getting lost here. Hilarious. What a busy day. Lots of gatherings here. You can tell the locals from the non-locals. The locals are like barely wearing clothes, and then they're very acclimated with the 60 degrees weather here. That's also one way to explore the town. Rent like a go-kart. Excuse us. Okay. She pointed. No skating, no bicycles here. But this is a nice photo. It's green. It's a green waterfall. Why is this so swampy? This has to be the first green waterfall that I've seen. Free swing dance lesson every Sunday. Nice. People are wearing masks. Somewhat, sort of. Alright. You want a swing dance lesson? It's a free swing dance lesson. This area kind of reminds me of San Diego Balboa Park. A little bit, huh? With the statue, but they actually have Ferris wheel here. Definitely way more real acoustic bikers, and maybe I want to say 10 to 20% e-bikers from what I'm observing here. Wow, roller skating? Shine on, SF. That's what it says. Very cool. Very cool. 9 bisons, I think. 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, you have like one of those behind the bushes.
I think there's 9 of them. Next stop, Palace of Arts. It's always a nice landmark to hit up. Here goes the same guys with the cart, the go-kart. Crystal, come on. A little faster. Looks like they have a tablet or it's a guided tour. I don't know. Not exactly sure. I see the decals saying guided tour on that. And it's not actually electric. That one looks like it's a motor go-kart. Alright, looks like we're with other e-bikers here. As soon as we get clearance in the car, we'll do a takeover. Here we go. We're also mopeds, so we're good here. These are nice houses. Presidio of San Francisco. I guess this is for my Google map. It's telling me to take here. That was a nice shot. Alright, we took a little bit of a break. This is the inspiration point. And yeah, we're trying to get to Palace of Arts over there. That little dome-shaped landmark. Some downhill fun here. Letting loose a little bit. Yo. Man, even though San Francisco is very hilly, it's actually pretty bike friendly, in my opinion. So far, we've been just on hitting up the landmarks. Pretty much 95% on bike lanes here. So far it seems pretty safe. And we're actually here. Palace of the Arts. Palace of Fine Arts. I guess that's what you would call it. Here it is. Here's the view that I'm accustomed to. There it is. I would stop here. This is nice. This is nice. Alright, quick break here. Approaching Christie Park and to get a nice view of the Golden Gate Bridge. Somewhat windy here. Hello. And adding to that chill. We're already bundled up and layered. We're not accustomed to this kind of weather. And it's crazy. It's summer here. And it's like 50 degrees. And just outside of San Francisco, it's like 109 degrees from what I'm hearing. But there's the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. You can kind of just see half of it because of the rolling fog that they always have here. So from what I know, the Golden Gate Bridge is 1.7 miles one way. And the bikers are supposed to be on the west side. And if you're on an e-bike, you're not supposed to be throttling. That's just from what I've read. We'll actually go and find out ourselves what the deal is shortly here. But first, we're gonna just stop and take some photos because this is just too hard to miss. Oh my gosh. It's so bumpy here. It's so bumpy, this thing. Pictures. Alright, we took a little bit of a break at Christie Park. Now we're going to tackle on the bridge. which is this way. Yeah, I think these bikers just came from it. Group ride. Pretty cool. This is a nice shot. We'll try to take that shot on the way back. Yeah, people definitely think we're not bikes. We definitely don't look like bikes. Detour. There's a detour. What? There's a bike detour. We were supposed to go that way. Weird. What is going on? I guess sometimes they close it. To your right. Well, I guess sometimes they'll have us take the east side, which is meshed with the pedestrians, so this part I'm not too happy about. No bicycles beyond this point. Yeah, what? It's closed over there, so what the heck? Well, this sucks. It says, no, we're supposed to be on the west side, but that thing just says detour, right? And then this thing says no bikes. We're not supposed to go on the east side mainly. That's what I'm confused about. I can ask the information center, which is like right here. Oh, it's closed. Closed to cyclists all day Saturday and Sunday.
What about the other side?
It's closed. That's why it's closed.
The other side,
To get to the other side is that gate that's closed. Does that make sense? Yeah, all the bikes here are like confused. Well, that's unfortunate because we're also tourists. We didn't know this. Does that make sense? Where are they going to? It's closed. I don't know if I should. They're just as kind of lost as we are. Well, that's unfortunate. We could only walk the Golden Gate Bridge today, and I guess it's my fault. I didn't see that it's closed to bicyclists on the weekends. What a bummer. What a bummer, man. That sucks. Well. Can't go on it today. But either way, this is a really nice, scenic ride from here. And Crystal is super cold anyway. And I know she's going to be freezing on that bridge. So maybe that's the pro side, is that we don't have to get any colder than we already are. I think we're going to grab some like hot noodles or maybe clam chowder. Or maybe just watch a movie, because it's too cold for us LA folks in San Francisco. I can see why they don't need an AC here, for sure. Well, that might be the video, folks. It is freezing, and we failed to ride the Golden Gate Bridge on an e-bike, but at least we got to drive by it yesterday. So we're okay with that. I guess it's going to remain on our bucket list for now, but it is what it is. At least we've had a fun e-biking experience in San Francisco for now. Well, anyway, stay tuned for more content. Kindly like and subscribe for more e-bike adventures. This is Julian signing out, guys. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your e-bike, whether it's a Bafang build, whether it's a Ariel rider, or a Super73. Folks, it's been a blast. This is an awesome place to e-bike. I recommend it. Anyhow, that's the ride, folks. This is Julian signing out. See you in the next adventure. Peace.